Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to unfollow everyone at once on Instagram. Well, Instagram does not provide a built-in feature to unfollow all accounts at once. However, there are some third-party tools that can help you unfollow all your Instagram accounts quickly and easily. Here's how to do it. First, you need to sign in to your Instagram account on your desktop computer. Then go to one of the following websites that offers unfollow all feature or bookmarks extensions on your browser to unfollow all on Instagram. So to do that, open your browser or extension at the upper right corner, then tap or click manage extensions. Then in here, tap the three lines at the upper left corner and then click Open Chrome Web Store if you are using Google Chrome web browser. Then search for Unfollow All Instagram. Then enter. You can see now all the tools that you can use for unfollow all to your Instagram. Follow the instructions provided by the website to authorize the tool to access your Instagram account. Once you've authorized the tool, it should display a list of all the accounts you're following. Select the option to unfollow all accounts or select the accounts you want to unfollow. Then click Unfollow button to unfollow the accounts. But before using any third-party tool, it's important to read the terms and conditions and ensure that it's a trusted and secure website. Also, keep in mind that Instagram has limit on the number of actions you can take within a certain time frame. So make sure you're not exceeding these limits to avoid getting your account temporarily blocked. Take some time to evaluate the accounts you're following. Unfollowing accounts can help streamline your feed and ensuring that you're only seeing content that you're interested in. Consider unfollowing accounts that no longer align with your interests or values. Also, consider using Instagram's built-in feature to manage the accounts you follow. You can use the following tab on your profile to see the accounts you're following and quickly unfollow them individually. Don't unfollow too many accounts at once. Instagram may flag your account for suspicious activities. Yes, Instagram may flag your account and many accounts within a shorter period of time. So to avoid this, unfollow accounts gradually over a few days or week. So that's how to unfollow all or everyone at once on Instagram. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.